where KVUE's Eric Pointer joins us once again, and this time we're going to actually see that twister, that tornado that was confirmed in that area earlier. Eric?
That's right, and so I just wanted to show you guys the damage that we've seen here on Rolling Ridge Road. We can see a house right here. The roof was torn off by that storm. You can see just the open slats and insulation everywhere. That insulation spread throughout the yard. It hit everywhere. You can see also just on this side a shed that was destroyed. There's two walls that are down. You can see just the debris and everything left over. And just across the yard, there's all kinds of, like again, that insulation. I talked to the property owner and she said it looks like there's cotton candy everywhere. Now she did tell me that this is a former schoolhouse and they were going to convert it into some type of art space. And so there was a lot of work that was going to be done over here. And also there's a baseball field that she said, or a plot of land they were trying to convert into a baseball field. That's soaked in water and everything. So the storm definitely had some heavy damage here. And take a look at video we got. So the property owner put me in touch with a neighbor who got video of the storm that did the damage to this house. And you can see that video right there. Pretty close stuff that he got, and she said that, he captured it, sent it to her, and then made sure they were all right. And that's when they came and saw this damage here. So a lot of action here in Caldwell County. And we're still, again, waiting for more information from the sheriff's office to see if there was any additional damage anywhere else. And so we'll be looking forward to that update. For now, I'll send it back to you all in the studio.
Eric, before you go, any reports of injuries in that area?
Not that I've heard. No one was here from this area when this happened. That's what the property owner told me. I called the sheriff's office earlier and they told me that they hadn't had any reports of damage. And so again, I put in some additional phone calls, left some voicemails, but I haven't heard anything back. But so far, from what I've gathered, no injuries reported that I know of.